Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, reading po ito for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Kung ikaw ay hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa ating channel, pahit na lang ng subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. If you want, pwede ka magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. I-search mo lang siya sa Facebook. And, yan. Let's start your reading. Para pala sa gustong i-follow ako sa TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot, check mo na lang. Let's start. This is for the sign of Virgo. By the way, sorry about my voice. Medyo parang garalgal, no? Okay. King of Wands, Three of Cups. Okay. Ito maraming message pero naramdaman ko na ito ay message for you. Maraming lumabas na cards dito. You do have here the Fool. Okay. The Fool, Death card, Four of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, Three of Wands. Okay. Someone here is missing you. Namimiss ka nitong taong to. I mean, supposed to be ang kukunin kong energy is energy mo, but this is a different person. Guys, this is a person. This is someone na nag-iipon. This person with the Four of Pentacles, nag-iipon siya eh. With the Ace of Pentacles, I don't know, could be a new person. But, namimiss ka nitong taong to. And nag-iipon siya. I feel like this person wants to end something sa inyong dalawa. Like maybe this is regarding sa distance. Kasi, Page of Pentacles, really, Four of Pentacles, really would like to see you. With the Three of Cups, gusto kanya makita, gusto kanya makasama, gusto kanyang makabanding. Itong person na ito, nagpapakita siya sa King of Wands. King of Wands could be a businessman, businesswoman, or kung hindi man siya negosyante, kung wala siyang negosyo, maybe someone who is very professional, maybe someone na marunong magnegosyo. Kung hindi man yun yung pinaka-career niya, at least once sa buhay niya, naging career niya yon. So, pwede minsan na siya nagbenta, minsan na siya naging trader, you know what I mean? Yung ang career ay nasa trading, yan. Or maybe a businessman, businesswoman. Kung hindi man ngayon na yun ang career niya, minsan niyang naging career. Okay? And this person, with the Fool, wants to have a new beginning with you. Ayan, the Fool and the Death card, dalawang major arcanas. Especially, the Ace of Swords is here. So, talagang iniisip ka niya eh. Talagang nagpaplano na tong person na to with the Page of Swords. Nagpaplano siya na makita ka, na mag-ipon to have this new beginning with you. I want to know ano bang intention nitong taong to. Ano bang intention niya sa'yo? Ano bang intensyon ng taong ito para sa'yo? Anong intensyon ng taong ito para sa'yo? Yeah, talaga, oh. We do have here the Tower, the Ace of Swords, Queen of Swords, and the Page of Cups. One more card, please. One more card. Anong intensyon nitong taong ito sa'yo? Seven of Swords is here. I feel like I need to get one more. Masyado talagang maraming gustong sabihin itong taong to, no? Talaga, I feel the energy of reversal here. So, gagawin natin yan. Babasahin natin ng reversal. By the way, hindi ako nagbabasa ng reversal. But if I feel that the energy is really a reversal, babasahin ko siya ng reversal. The Tower is here. So, ang intention niya, gusto niya na mag-end kung ano man um, itong nangyayari sa inyo, no? Maybe there's separation, maybe there's some kind of realization, kasi parang ano siya na bigla siyang ang tawag dito, biglang napaisip na parang hindi ka babastahin hindi babastahin tong connection natin like with the Ace of Swords, itong person na ito, lagi ka talagang iniisip dahil might be nagkaroon na ng ending sa inyo ng person na ito. And with the Queen of Swords, I feel like it is an ending na siya yung may kasalanan. Siya yung may dahilan. Kasi kinut off ka niya, kasi umalis siya, kasi lumayo siya, or kasi siya yung nasa malayo. If this is a new person, pwedeng ganun. Yung kaya may ending, kaya wala pang pagkikita, or may separation ngayon, ayun ay dahil siya yung nasa malayo. And with the Page of Cups, this person wants to offer you something. And yung intention niya is, at first, it would look like money-related intention kasi the Ace of Pentacles is showing here. So, pwedeng gusto niya magka-new beginning regarding money, regarding material, etc. So, pwedeng yun yung maging unang intention niya. But with the Eight of Swords, this is far from the truth. Hindi iyon yung totoo doon. So, pwedeng ipakita niya lang na yung intention niya is pera, pero malayong-malayo ang intention niya doon. The real intention is the Queen of Cups. Let's clarify the Queen of Cups. Okay, one more card. Okay, you do have your Seven of Pentacles. And then bottom of the deck is the Two of Cups. Like what I've told you, diba? Hindi pera ang intensyon nitong taong ito. Hindi new beginning na may kinalaman sa material na bagay. At first, it would look like, or it would feel like ganun. Ikaw ang mismo mararamdaman mo, ay wala lang to. Ano lang siya. Gusto niya lang magkaroon ng new beginning sa amin regarding pera, regarding finances. Pero hindi. The Seven of Pentacles, this person, I feel like yung real intention niya is kasama na rin na gusto niya magkaroon ng advancement kasi parang hindi nagkakaroon ng growth. Or, gusto niya ng growth ng pera, kasama na rin yon. Pero with the Four of Swords, pwedeng growth sa pera na wala siyang masyadong gagawin. You know, I don't know, maybe investment, some kind of investment. So, pwede mag-invest sa itong taon to. Kasi, it feels like a growth here. Ayan, there's a ladder. So, parang hagdan. And, kumbaga parang sa pera, kumbaga parang sa puno, 'di ba? Maghihintay na lang ng bunga. So, I feel like this is a high chance na katulad na with the Four of Swords, yan, parang nakahiga lang yung person dito, 'di ba? And this is your person na parang gusto niya may growth ang pera niya, pero gusto niya wala siyang masyadong gagawin. So pwedeng this is some kind of investment, new beginnings na may kinalaman na siya ay magbibigay lang sa iyo ng pera, and then maybe ikaw nang bahala kung anong gagawin mo diyan, kung paano mo palalaguin yan. May mga ganon, maybe some, I don't know, high chance that for some of you, you are also a businessman or a businesswoman. Ganun yung energy. But if you are not, and maybe this is something else na may kinalaman doon sa mga nabanggit ko. Anyway, ito yung magmumukhang intention niya. But at the bottom of the deck, there's this Two of Cups. This person wants relationship. This person wants deeper connection, deeper partnership sa inyong dalawa. This person wants to be by your side always. Gusto niya lagi kayo may usap na, maybe ngayon wala masyado because wala naman kayong pag-uusapan. But this person wants to talk to you, to have this conversation with you. And because this person with the Ace of Cups really do have a lot of feelings for you. This person is watching you. Minamasdan ka niya, tinitignan ka niya. I don't know why it feels weird, like, hindi ko alam kung kilala kita, but I do feel like itong nanonood sa akin is someone that I really know, or maybe you know me or nakita mo na ako in person. So that's the energy. Mind you, um, wala masyadong nakakilala sa akin na, na ako ay nagta-tarot. Like, napakaliit lang ng aking circle of friends. And, anyway, yeah, same as the family, na hindi siya ganun kalawak. And maybe not all of them knew na ako ay nagta-tarot. Well, anyway. So, high chance na kilala mo ako, pero might be hindi kita kilala or nakikita mo na ako. Anyway, okay lang kahit hindi, guys. Okay lang kahit hindi. Okay lang kahit hindi. Energies lang yan. So, what will happen in the near future for you? What will happen in the near future for you? I'm really sorry about my voice. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nagagaralgal eh. Maybe kasi malamig na ngayon. The near future, this Page of Swords. Oh, yeah. Like, parang nabanggit ko kanina si Page of Swords, pero hindi naman talaga siya lumabas. Parang nadulas ako, no? Kung hindi ako nagkakamali. So, this Page of Swords is your person. This Page of Swords is your person. A very immature one. So, pwedeng, either immature siya talaga, or magpakita siya sa'yo na para siyang immature. Like, yeah, the Hermit. This is Virgo energy. This could be you. No? This could be you. This person, magpapakita or magpapapansin siya sa'yo, with the Five of Pentacles, Eight of Wands is also here. Some sort of, dadating siya, or, yeah, let me clarify this first, bago ko ituloy. Eight of Cups, okay. The Empress, okay. And the Hierophant. Wait lang, guys. Medyo tinatry kong itutok sa yung electric fan. Malamig, mahangin kasi masyado. Hindi, sige, patayin ko na lang. Anyway, ako kasi yung tipo ng tao na parang sanay akong may electric fan. Like, kahit naka-aircon, gusto ko may electric fan. Ayan. And, yeah. With the Hierophant and the Empress, this is a very spiritual person. And I feel like this is you. Lalo na nandito din si Hermit. So, all of this are spiritual person. And this could be you. Na? And nakikita natin na dadating itong taong to once na nakafocus ka sa sarili mo. Five of Pentacles, I'm seeing a family member na wala siyang masyadong may pagmamayabang, wala siyang masyadong may pagmamalaki. Like there's this, hindi man problema sa pera, but hindi ganun. Pero ang energy is that there's an family member in the near future na na wala siyang maiyayabang regarding sa pera. Kasi, technically, this person, parang kontento na siya kung ano yung meron siya. This is a different energy and I feel like coming from a family member. Tell me about this. Two of Cups, okay. Ten of Wands, so yeah. This is one of pwedeng pinoproblema mo or medyo mabigat para sa'yo. Like, responsibilidad mo tong taong to. And the world is here. The moon is here. That's two major arcana. Pero I want to clarify more. What's with the world and the moon? Oh, yeah. I can see a lot of love, mula dito sa taong ito. So, yeah, maybe this is a family member, you know, that really do loves you, or vice versa, or mahal na mahal mo tong taong no, like, oo, nandun yung obligasyon mo sa kanya, but you still love this person, pwedeng ganun. But, yeah, pwedeng dumating itong Page of Swords na ito while you are thinking about this. Like, kailangan pa ako nitong taong to, maybe ganun. And, yung lagi mong kinoconsider yung pag-iisip dito sa taong to na, kung nandyan na yung tao na yan sa buhay mo, then, pwedeng isa ito sa rason kung bakit nagkakaroon ng separation sa inyo. Kasi maybe you're choosing this person, maybe you're choosing family. You're choosing family, or maybe tradition, etc. Pero ito yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit nagiging silent or malayo ang loob mo dito sa taong ito. For some of you, this is may kinalaman din sa love. So maybe a false twin flame or a karmic kind of person. Nakaamoy ako ng adobo. This could be a reading. Anyway, what's with the Page of Swords? So, dadating itong taong to na nandun ang presensya nitong mga nabanggit ko kanina. The Page of Swords is coming in here for you with the Ace of Cups. I'm sorry to say, dadating itong taong ito while you are distracted with someone or something. Wala sa taong ito wala dito sa maybe a new person na ito ang focus mo. You are focusing on something else, somebody else, or you're focusing on your dreams, you're focusing with the world, gusto mo malayo marating mo, etc. And then this person is coming. And you do have the Ace of Cups. This is new love. This is, the Ace of Cups is full of passion, full of love, energy. And yeah, the Page of Pentacles. Hindi siya papayag. Like, this person will definitely offer something here. Hindi siya papayag na basta lang kayo magkikita or what. Hindi siya papayag na basta lang kayo magmi-meet. Gusto niya may tuloy-tuloy. Nasabi ko nga sa'yo, like maybe pwedeng maging ang intention sa una is pera. Pero definitely, ang intention is that gusto ko may continuous tayong pag-uusap. Ganun. May continuous na like might be with the Queen of Pentacles, this is money talk. This is money talk. And the Page of Pentacles. The Star is here. You know what? The Star and the Lovers is at the bottom of the deck. I'm really sorry about my voice. No, tinatry kong as much as possible maging maayos, pero medyo garalgal talaga. Anyway, ang pangarap kasi nito person nito is with the Lovers to have a relationship, deep bond, partnership, and a lot of love sa inyong dalawa. This person really wants to have a relationship with you. Yeah. So anyway, thank you for watching. Sana nakarelate ka, nakaresonate ka. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam PTV, Virgo Philippines, Dapit Hapon TV, Water Sign Philippines, Madam P Vlogs, Libra Philippines. I love you all, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.